sometimes I get in my head, and I get this shitty, sinking feeling in the pit of my stomach.
Here's an idea. Try breathing a little bit. You were at a 10. I need you at a 2.
And then I'll picture her with her boss, and I know she's attracted to him.
So she's into older men now.
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe you shouldn't always assume the worst case, buddy.
But, she is always at work. Like, always.
Well, people work. Women work. What do you want her to do? Stay at home all day in an apron by the door waiting for you to show up? Relax. Breathe. You're gonna make yourself crazy.
Dude, I know for a fact the girl loves you. Don't let your imagination run wild.
Thing is, she's a shitty liar, and I can tell when she's lying. And her rich dick boss demands way too much of her time. Seriously, I see the way the guy looks at her. Something's up.
All right, let's get you another drink.
Yo! This one's on me. Happy birthday.
I'm good.
Happy birthday. Oh, thanks.
Easy with that.
Ooh. Brittany's here. I'm gonna need some backup.
Back up?
Yeah,
Was she a fucking wrestler?
just chat words.
Hey, girl.
Hi.
What's up?
This
How are
is
you?
Lisa.
Hey, Lisa.
Hi.
This is my friend Vince.
Hi.
You gotta be really nice to Vince. It's his birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday.
So, Vince is from New York, majored in fine arts in college, and he's planning a trip to Yosemite. Right, Vince?
Yeah. Yeah.
He's one of those intense hiker guys. He hikes the Appalachian Trail every year.
Wow, that's intense.
Thanks.
So what are you two ladies drinking? Beer? Wine?
Oh, I love a beer. Just nothing too.
You know, I was just actually on my way out. I got an early morning.
No.
Yeah. Lisa.
What?
Brittany.
Dude, serious?
Call me tomorrow.
Happy birthday?
I can hear you.
Surprise! Crazy bastard.
Oh my God.